15, 20 years ago when I first started out in this, there was no information to be found, right? Like we were truly biohacking and experimenting on ourselves as like human guinea pigs to figure this out. I've worked with many physicians who also were very brave and very courageous to be out there reaching and searching and looking for information. But now there's so much amazing information that we're all crowdsourcing, right? From hormonal optimization to fitness to mindset to improving our spirituality, right? There's so much new biotechnology that's coming into the marketplace. So I kind of look at it as my role now is to get you guys on the ground floor who have the clinics or who are out there in the space to teach this the right way. So much misinformation has been promulgated that a lot of people, especially patients, have just not gotten optimized. But obviously it's on us now to make sure that that goes away, that everything is done based on the evidence. We have 20 years, 21 years of using therapeutic hormones and doing everything else right, including peptides and fat loss and all these other things. So now it's about putting that information, as I would say, into the ether so that everyone can benefit.